The Sony Xperia XZ3 is probably the most exciting new Sony phone in quite a while. Hello guys, my name is Vic with PhoneArena and it's time to unbox the brand new Xperia XZ3. So let's take a look around at the box. On the side you have the Xperia XZ3 name. On the back you have the main features of the phone, which are the 19 megapixel camera, 13 megapixel selfie camera, 6-inch QuadHD display, the first OLED display ever on a Sony phone. You have a USB-C port for charging, a 3330 mAh battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, the flagship chip here on board, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, microSD card support, IP68 water protection. And let's open the box and see what's inside. The first thing that you see, of course, the phone. We'll take a closer look at it in just a second. I have some tags here, some plastic, and you have the charger, a wall charger, pretty basic stuff by Sony, standard USB input here, and the European standard is what we have up for our unboxing today. No headphone jack, you have this pretty little dongle, USB-C to 3.5 millimeters. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay. Some literature, nothing interesting. And we have the USB-C to standard USB cable right here, and that's it. So let's take a closer look at the phone. And here's the phone itself, the Xperia XZ3 with all the plastics on it, and we have it in the black finish here with the very glossy glass back, which is an absolute fingerprint magnet. More on this later. Let's take the plastic off. So we have first take off the plastic on the back like so, and then plastic right here on the front, and fire up the phone. Okay, now we've set up the Xperia XZ3 and we're ready to start exploring it, and the first thing that you see is the new OLED screen, which allows you to have always on display where you can see useful information right here. You double tap to wake the screen up, and you can use the fingerprint scanner on the back to go into the main menu right here. You can see this beautiful animation typical of the Xperia line of phones, and the phone runs on Android 9 Pie, the latest version. As you can see here, the OLED display really just pops at you with very vivid, nice colors. And one new feature here that you have in the interface is the ability to double tap on the side, and you can see this menu, which is a bunch of shortcuts that are really useful, and you can use them. You can tap on either side. You can use this side, and the trick here is to tap closer towards the screen and not towards the back of the phone. We were confused at first, but just tapping closer towards the screen, this works every time, so good to know. On the back of the phone you can see there's a single camera, not much change from the previous one and the last generation Xperia phones. The fingerprint scanner is right here, a little bit too low for comfortable use. There's a little kind of like a notch at the bottom of the device, the Xperia brand, and nothing else. A very clean design. Of course, as you can see, this is a fingerprint magnet, but most black phones are. On the front you can see that the screen is just slightly curved, and we really feel that this is the best looking Xperia phone in quite a while. It's narrow, it's comfortable in the hand, it's very tall but still very comfortable to use, and we're looking forward to learning more about it and sharing it with you in our full review that's coming up. So stay with us. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe for more, and I will talk to you in the next one.